Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane is a premium remote-controlled warbird designed for adult aviation enthusiasts. With a wingspan of 1,700 mm (66.9 inches), this model offers an impressive scale presence and high-level detail, replicating the iconic P-51 Mustang with its vibrant red-tail design. This 6-channel RC airplane comes equipped with advanced features, including functional flaps, LED lights, and retractable landing gear for added realism and enhanced performance during takeoff and landing. Its durable construction ensures stability and resilience, making it suitable for experienced pilots seeking a reliable and authentic flying experience. As a P&P, plug-and-play, model, the airplane requires a separate radio transmitter, battery, and charger, giving users flexibility to customize their setup. The pre-assembled components and detailed instructions make assembly straightforward, allowing pilots to get airborne quickly. The powerful motor and precise controls deliver excellent maneuverability, enabling a range of aerobatic stunts and steady flight patterns. The aircraft's historical design pays homage to the Tuskegee Airmen, adding a layer of historical significance for collectors and aviation enthusiasts. In summary, the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane is a high-quality model perfect for those who appreciate the blend of history and advanced RC technology. With its detailed design, robust features, and customizable P&P configuration, it offers an exhilarating and immersive flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a warbird aficionado, this RC plane is an excellent addition to any collection. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is a beginner-friendly remote-control airplane designed for easy flying and versatile use. With a compact 500 mm wingspan, this lightweight and durable model is perfect for kids, adults, and novice pilots looking to learn the basics of flying. Equipped with a 4-channel control system, the Sport Cub provides full maneuverability, allowing users to control the throttle, rudder, elevator, and ailerons for smooth and precise movements. The inclusion of a 6-axis gyro stabilizer ensures enhanced stability, making it easier to maintain steady flight even in light wind conditions. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who are still mastering their piloting skills. The airplane offers 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing users to gradually progress as their confidence and skills improve. Its prop saver technology helps protect the propeller from damage during crashes, adding to the plane's durability and reducing maintenance costs. As a ready-to-fly, RTF, model, the Sport Cub includes everything needed to get started right out of the box, including the plane, transmitter, and battery. Its efficient design ensures easy assembly and straightforward operation, making it accessible to all age groups. The bright red color scheme enhances visibility in the air, and the airplane's lightweight materials provide a good balance of agility and resilience. It's suitable for park flying, backyard adventures, or open field exploration. In summary, the Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is an excellent choice for beginners seeking a user-friendly and durable RC airplane. With its stabilizing technology, multiple flight modes, and ready-to-fly package, it delivers an enjoyable and educational flying experience for both kids and adults. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane, BNF Basic, is a versatile and feature-packed remote control aircraft designed for intermediate and experienced pilots. With a 1.5-meter wingspan, it combines excellent stability, aerobatic capability, and all-terrain adaptability, making it a popular choice for RC enthusiasts. Equipped with AS3X technology, the airplane provides advanced stabilization for smooth and precise flight, even in windy conditions. For added beginner-friendly features, Safe Select can be enabled, offering pitch and bank angle limits and self-leveling capabilities, making takeoff and landing more manageable. This bind and fly (BNF) model requires a compatible Spectrum transmitter, along with a separate battery and charger, allowing pilots to customize their setup. It comes ready to bind with Spectrum systems, ensuring quick and reliable connectivity. The turbo timber includes optional floats, enabling exciting water takeoffs and landings, alongside its impressive STOL, short takeoff and landing, performance on grass, dirt, or snow. Its durable, lightweight construction ensures ruggedness and reliability in various environments. The airplane's powerful brushless motor and functional flaps enhance its capability to perform aerobatics, sharp maneuvers, and slow, controlled landings. Its large, oversized wheels further improve ground handling, making it versatile for multiple terrains. In summary, the Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane is a highly capable and adaptable aircraft with advanced stabilization, beginner-friendly features, and versatile all-terrain functionality. Its STOL performance, optional floats, and durability make it an excellent choice for pilots seeking adventure in diverse flying conditions. Whether performing aerobatics or exploring water landings, the Turbo Timber offers an exceptional RC flying experience. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is a beginner-friendly remote control airplane designed for easy flying and durability, making it ideal for kids, adults, and first-time pilots. Featuring a 2-channel control system, it allows users to control throttle and rudder for simple yet enjoyable flight operations. This simplicity ensures that even newcomers can quickly get accustomed to flying. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the plane provides enhanced stability during flight, allowing for smoother maneuvers and reducing the chance of crashes. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners seeking a low-stress learning experience. The 2.4 GHz radio system ensures a reliable connection and interference-free operation, even when flying with others. Constructed from EPP foam material, the FX803 is lightweight, crash-resistant, and durable, offering resilience during practice sessions. Its glider design promotes steady and efficient flying, making it suitable for outdoor use in parks or open fields. The airplane comes in an RTF, ready-to-fly, package, meaning everything needed to get started is included. This convenience allows users to assemble and start flying right out of the box. The efficient motor provides sufficient power for extended flight times, ensuring plenty of fun per session. In summary, the Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists seeking a simple, durable, and reliable RC aircraft. With its 2-channel control, 6-axis gyro stabilization, and crash-resistant EPP construction, it offers a user-friendly and enjoyable flying experience. Whether for kids or adults, this RC plane provides a fun and accessible entry point into the world of remote-controlled aviation. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a beginner-friendly RC plane designed for both adults and kids, offering easy control and an enjoyable flying experience. With its lightweight and durable design, it provides users with a reliable and entertaining entry into remote-controlled aviation. This RC plane is equipped with 3 flight modes, allowing users to select settings that match their skill level. The beginner mode offers easy handling with self-stabilizing features, while advanced modes provide greater control for more experienced pilots. The U-turn functionality ensures smoother and more controlled maneuvers, making it easier to navigate and recover from challenging situations. Constructed with durable materials, the plane is crash-resistant and designed to withstand impacts, which is ideal for beginners learning to fly. Its aerodynamic design supports steady and efficient flight, while the lightweight build enhances maneuverability and flight duration. The Leambe RC plane operates on a 2.4 GHz radio system, ensuring reliable, interference-free communication between the transmitter and the aircraft, even when flying in a group. Its efficient motor system provides stable power for smooth takeoffs, controlled landings, and enjoyable flight sessions. Designed for ease of use, this plane is ready to fly, RTF, allowing users to start flying quickly without extensive setup. Its compact size makes it convenient to transport and fly in various locations, such as parks or backyards. In summary, the Leambe remote control aircraft plane is a user-friendly and durable RC plane with versatile flight modes, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its easy controls, U-turn feature, and robust design ensure an enjoyable and confidence-building flying experience for kids and adults alike.